So we just got to our cooking class. We're starting off with coffee and biscuits, and then we're going to go into pasta making, so it should be really fun.
This way. Up, cross, and close. That's the shape. Always on a little bit flour, you do a snake. Not too fat and not too slim. Something like this. Okay. What are you doing? Like a roasted chicken. That's great.
Penne pasta with a ragu meat sauce with pecorino on top. Lemon ricotta filled ravioli with pecorino on top. And pesto gnocchi. This is the Florentine style filet and a side of green beans. This is so good. I normally don't go for like ragus or beef sauces, or I'm generally like not really a meat person, but it's so awesome. And then this is amazing. And neither of us are really like into like into steaks. And this is amazing. Even my little sister likes it, and she's the pickiest person.
So this steak, I don't know how to explain it, but there's no fat, zero fat, but it's like butter. It's so tender and so flavorful, but there's no fat. I've never had a steak. I don't even know how they do this. And the meat sauce there's like, it's all meat. There's tomato, but the actual sauce is the meat, not like tons of tomato sauce with a little bit of meat. And that's how the flavor gets through.
So these are almond biscotti served with a sweet wine, but obviously we don't have the wine or biscotti because we're sweet children. Again.
What makes this biscotti awesome and different is the number of almonds, and the almonds are chewy. So it's not just the crunchy biscotti, it's the crunchy biscotti, the chewy of the almonds. It's just fantastic. I've never had biscotti like this.
So we're at the bridge, Ponte Vecchio, and that's a little restaurant down there. And last time we were at the Uffizi, we got to see all the way from that corner over there. But now we're like up close to the bridge, and it's beautiful at night, all lit up. I got the chocolate orange, and then on top I have fig and ricotta. And then Reagan, what'd you get?
I got mango and chocolate orange as well. I had a cookie thing on top, but I ate it.
Yeah, the cookie thing. And then my mom got pistachio and dark chocolate. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more vlogs on this beautiful city, and keep watching for bloopers. We made it all the way up.
Regan, say. Oh, thanks.
Only had a couple bites of that. Well, would you say that's the best steak you've ever had in your whole life?
In my whole life, like
Hands down.
I'm like dying.
2 bites in.
Can't even. I can't. I don't even know why, because it looks like nothing. I can't.
Right now, I'm like soaking up all the flavor with the bread, and it's just amazing. Reagan, how's your gnocchi? Okay.
When I came here, I wasn't even that hungry. Like, I wasn't starving, and I like can't stop eating this. Can't.
So this is almond biscotti with a sweet wine, obviously for my mom, because none of us drink. We're children of Jesus. So this is our almond biscotti with a sweet wine, because for my mom, obviously, because we don't drink wine yet because we're not of age and we're good children. You traditionally dip the biscotti in the sweet wine, so it's really good. Says my mom. I've never tried it, so yeah.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive